Hi, as we all know, to compute interest, time is always measured in terms of years. So I have shown you the example if term is given in months, which is we have to use T is equal to number of months divided by 12. Okay, so in this video, I will explain about time concept if a term is given in days or between the date. Okay, if the terms is given in days, we have to substitute T is equal to number of days divided by 365 or 366 or 360. Okay, this is depends on the method of time concept. Um, However, if the terms is given between dates, there are two methods to find number of days. Okay, the first one by using exact time. Okay, exact time is the exact number of days between two given dates. Okay, for example, January has 31 days, April has 30 days, August has 31 days. Okay, how about February? Okay, for February, depends on the year given. Okay, if the given year is leap year, so February has 29 days. If non-leap year, so February has 28 days. Okay, for second method to find number of days is by using approximate time, which is we assume a month has 30 days in the calculation of number of days between two given dates. Okay, we assume every month, okay, January, February until December has 30 days. Okay, we look at example. Find the number of days by using exact time and approximate time from 21st January to 5th April. So means the beginning date here is 21st January and the due date here is 5th April. Okay, we look at how to find number of days by using exact time first, which is first you have to list month from January to April. Okay, and then for January, 31 minus 21 because we want to find number of days between 21st to 31 January has how many days? So in January has 10 days. Okay, for February has 29 days since 2020 is leap year. Okay, and then for March has 31 days and for April has 5 days. Okay, since we start from 1st April to 5th April. So number of days by using exact time is 75 days. Okay, next for approximate time. Okay, in January has 30 days. Okay, we assume every month has 30 days. So in January, 30 minus 21, so has 9 days. And then February 30, March also 30, and April is equal to 5 days. So the total number of days by using approximate time is 74 days. Okay, as I mentioned before, if term is given in days, so you have to substitute T is equal to number of days divided by total number of days in a year. Okay, either 365 or 366 or 360. Okay, so we have seen calculation number of days if the question given between dates. Okay, so either using exact time or approximate time. So now we look at there are two methods also to find total number of days in a year. Okay, either 365 or either we use 365, 366 or 360. Okay, so for the first method is by using exact interest, which is the interest is calculated using 365 days or 366 days in a year. Okay, so we use 365 days if the year is non-leap year. Okay. If the year is leap year, then we use 366 days. Okay, since there are extra in February has 29 days. Okay, so what is leap year? Okay, leap year is the year occur once for every 4 years. Okay, so you can identify the year is leap year by divide the year by 4, and there is no remainder. Okay, for example, um, 2020 is leap year since 2020 can be divided by 4, so equal to 505. So there is no remainder. Okay, but if the year is 2021, okay, divide by 4. Okay, 2021 divided by 4, there is remainder here, which is 2021 divided by 4 is equal to 505.25. So there is a remainder here. That's why 2021 is non-leap year. Okay, next, ordinary simple interest. Which is the interest is calculated using 360 days in a year, since we assume every month has 30 days. Okay, means 30 days times with 12 months, so that's why is equal to 360 days. Okay, so if the method is used ordinary interest, then we divide by 360. Okay, therefore there are 4 methods of time concept, which is the first one is exact time and exact simple interest, which is t is equal to number of days by using exact time divided by 365 or 366. And then second, exact time and ordinary simple interest, which is t is equal to number of days by using exact time divided by 360. This is also known as Banker's rule. And for the third method is approximate time and exact simple interest, which is t is equal to number of days using approximate time divided by 365 or 366. And for the fourth method is approximate time and ordinary simple interest, which is t is equal to number of days by using approximate time divided by 360. Okay, so we will see the example in next video.